Dear students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss with you Google Slides Lecture 5. The topic is how to add animations in Google Slides. You can add animation to object on slides or transition to entire slides. A transition can be as simple as fading to the next slide, or it can be more flashy effect. Any object can be animated, making it move or fade in or fade out of the slides. So Google Slides make it easy to apply these effects to some or all of your slides, and adding emphasis or polish to your presentations. So how can you add animations to your slides? As you can see in the slide, Google Slide has one pane to manage all of your transition and animations. The animation pane will allow you to configure the transitions and all animations for the current slides. As you can see in the slide, so far in the slide there is no animation selected. You can see no transition is there, and below this you have the option apply to all slides, and below this you have various types of animation like fly in from left, fade in, zoom in, and play option is there. Transition and animation are best used in moderations. Adding too many of these effects can make your presentations look a little silly and can even be distracting to your audience. So try to avoid have too many animation transitions to your presentations, so that it should not be distracting when you are presenting your presentations. So you have to consider using mostly subtle transition and animations, or not using them at all. So how to add animations? You can see on the top right corners there is first step is select the desired slides to which you want to add animations. Then click the transition command on the toolbar. As you can see on the top there is a option of transitions. Click on this option, and next is you can see the animation pane will appear. You can see in the slide animation pane will appear. Open the drop down menu at the top of the pane, then select it transitions. You can see when you open the drop down menu you can find a variety of transitions like dissolve, fade, slide from right, slide from left, flip, cube, gallery, etc. Step number 3 is you can see the transition will be applied to the current slide. You can also adjust the speed of the transition or apply the same transition to all slides. As you can see here, there is option of apply to all slides, and you can also select the speed of transitions, slow to medium to fast. Next is to add animations. So step number 1, right click the desired object, then select animate. You can select any object, any text, any image. Select the text, desired text, and right click on it. You can see there is option of select animate, so go to that options. The animation pane will appear. You can see a default animation will be added to the select object and displayed in the pane. So here you can select the style of animations for that text which you selected in the previous step, and you can select the option of speed also. And so these are the steps to add transitions animations to the slides, to the text, to the contents of slides. So this is today's topic. Thank you very much.